Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recall or unsend an email in Outlook. Now take note that you won't be able to do this one, by the way, in the modern Outlook. So what you're going to do is open the classic one. I believe most of your PCs still have this one. Yeah, once you're here, I want you to head over to the sent items. Or say for example you're going to send one. This for example is what we're going to send. The subject is recall. I'm going to go ahead and send this. So it should pop up here in the sent items. All right, there you go. Subject is recall again. Remember this, everybody. So what we're gonna do is just double click this email. I want you to head over here to this three dots, and then we're gonna go ahead and look for actions. And you have the recall this message option. So I'm gonna click this, and I'm going to go ahead and delete unread copies of this message, meaning if this was already read, most likely this will not be recalled anymore. And then tell me if it succeeds or fails. I'm going to hit OK. And yeah, once you've done that one, you can see that here it will notify you that you tried to recall this message. And yeah, once that is success, you should be notified with that. If it fails, you should be notified with that as well. And that is how you're going to recall or unsend an email in Outlook.